Now the class manager is located right here, this class manager here, and this is where all of your classrooms that you've created are stored. Now, whether you've created them from the class manager or the class wizard here, add classroom, or the add classroom here, or you've created them in the groups and users mass upload option to create or generate classrooms during import. They will always be stored in this class manager. Now, here we can create a new category of classrooms, or we can create a new classroom. It's very easy. You're just going to drag this over to training category, drop it there, and I'll call this second classroom, and publish now, and save. It's really that easy. You don't have to worry about anything else, just a title and publish now. Now this works in tandem with /district /classes, and you'll see we have the category name here and then the classrooms here. Now the specific thing about this is the nickname of the person is also listed there. If I were to go into my edit profile here and remove my nickname, let me refresh this, or let me actually change who's assigned to that. Let's say assigned teacher. All right. So now you'll see it says Alex Avila and then just Burden there. I think the Alex Burden one actually just has the nickname Burden. Let's see. Yes. Okay. So it says Alex Avila, and that's my profile here. So if you don't have the public alias there, it just takes your first and last name, which is perfectly fine. You can just have the first and last name, or you can just say Mr. Avila. But essentially, the class manager is where all this is stored, and we can actually take this second classroom, place it in uncategorized, and click Save. And then we'll have this uncategorized here. So if you might be seeing the uncategorized in your classes, your class manager or class module, class list module, it's likely because you don't have those classrooms categorized in this class manager. You have to actually take those classrooms and place them into a category. All right, and that's how the class manager works.